The seven medicine Buddhas, a tenor of bliss, strongly pray for the temporal and ultimate happiness of yourself and all sentient beings. They vowed that their prayers would be actualized in the course of degenerate times while the teaching of Sakyamuni Buddha are in decline. As the Buddha's holy speech is irrevocable, you can wholly trust in their energy to quick supply benefits to help all sentient beings in this generous time. If you pray to Guru Medicine Buddha, you will speedily accomplish all that you wish. Just listening to the holy call of Guru Medicine Buddha and the sound of his mantra causes the doer to rebirth within the suffering lower nation states. It is written inside the scripture that you should not now have a pointed mind doubt with regard to these benefits. Guru Sakyamuni Buddha stated within the sutras entitled Medicine Guru Beams of Lapis Lazuli, Kungawa, do you trust my explanations of the qualities of that Tathagato? Medicine Buddha, Kungawa answered to the Bhagavana, I do not have pointed mind with regard to the teaching of you, the celibate Bhagavana. Why? Because the actions of the Tathagatos, holy body, holy speech, and holy thoughts are usually natural, without a single mistake. Then Guru Sakyamuni Buddha gave this recommendation, Kungawa, whoever hears the holy call of that Tathagata will no longer fall into the evil realms of the suffering transmigratory beings. Therefore, on the time of death, it is traffic to recite each Tathagata Medicine Buddha's holy name and his mantra within the ear of the loss of life characters. It is extremely beneficial to recite the mantra and blow it off meat that you are eating, or even on vintage bones or the dead bodies of animals or human beings. That action purifies the karmic obscuration of these sentient beings. It can reason a person who has been reborn within the suffering decreased nation state to immediately bypass away and be reborn in a natural realms or among happy transmigrators. At the very least, it will shorten the duration in their suffering. Within the decreased nation state, it is outstanding if this performed with bodhicitta, renouncing self and cherishing other. Also, by the way of reciting this mantra, you will greatly enhance the electricity of the drugs which you are taking or giving to others. This may be complete as follows. Visualize the medicine in a bowl in the front of you, and about it a moon disk. Standing at the moon disk is the blue seed syllable Om, surrounded by means of the syllables of the medicine Buddha mantra in a clockwise direction. As you recite the chant, nectars flow from all the syllables. Observing into the medicine, the syllables and the moon then dissolve into the drugs, which will become extremely powerful and able to therapy all bodily sicknesses and afflictions brought about via spirits collectively with their regions, negative karma and intellectual obscurations of sentient beings. If you are treating a serious disorder which include cancer, visualize that the dogs has the electricity to remedy this particular ailment. The stronger one's path, the more mantras one recites. The extra can be the electricity of the medication. All existence phenomena are object of knowing. If something is not an object of understanding for any beings, then it does now not exist. An example is the horn of rabbits. All existence phenomena are blanketed in three classes. Object of a legitimate non-deceptive focus which can be easily identified, inclusive of vase, plate, rice, flower, and so forth objects which can be difficult to recognize and which require reasoning to accomplishing that, inclusive of impermanence and emptiness, objects which can be extraordinarily difficult to recognize, which include phenomena which might be handiest item of knowledge of the omniscient thought. For everyday beings, this can most effectively be acknowledged through dependence upon scriptural authority of the Buddha. Since the benefit of doing this sadhana are extraordinarily difficult to apprehend, they therefore belong to third class. Only via religion inside the Buddha's explanations can one realize those benefits. For folks who are intellectual but somewhat thick-skulled, these explanations of the benefit and positive karma of doing the medicine Buddha sadhana have to now not be discarded because it is far too expensive for such a restrained intelligence. If one is unable to accept this, it is hard to stay in defense in preference to rejecting outright the profound teaching of the Buddha. Examine and practice this sadhana skillfully. Keep your mind consistent, and you could attain imagined benefit for yourself and for others without deceiving yourself. The benefit of Medicine Buddha Mantra. The Medicine Buddha Mantra encompasses all of the Buddhas. This method that once we practice the seven lamb prayer and make offering with the seven lambs, we receive the identical benefits as we might if we had made offerings to all the Buddhas. Similarly, while we recite the mantra of Medicine Buddha, we collect unbelievable benefit just as whilst we offer the seven limbs practice to Medicine Buddha. To recite the Medicine Buddha mantra brings inconceivable advantage. Manjushri requested the 8 Tathagatas Guru Sakyamuni and the 7 Medicine Buddha to expose a unique mantra that would make the prayer day. The 8 Tathagatas made in the beyond prayer so as to actualize happiness of sentient beings via attaining to course to enlightenment and pacifying diverse travels on the way to see all of the Buddhas and for all needs to be quick found out, to fast come to pass, specifically for the ones sentient beings born in the time of the 5 degeneration who have small benefit and who are possessed and overwhelmed through various illness and spirits harm. During that time, all of the 8 Tathagatas in one voice start the Medicine Buddha mantra. Therefore, if you recite the chant each day, the Buddha and Bodhisattva paths will constantly pay attention to you and they might guide you. Vajrapani warner of a secret and the four guidance will always shield and manual you. All your negative karmas can be pacified and you will be no means being born in the 3 degrees realms. Even just hearing a recitation of the name of the 8 Tathagatas pacifies all sicknesses and spirits harm, even spirits harms that stand off as a condition of ailments, and all your needs and fulfilled. This is just a short explanation of the benefit of the Medicine Buddha practice. This practice is especially beneficial in case you are assisting others, especially if you are doing recovery work. It facilitates you to be extra accurate and beneficial. You will get hold of a good deal help, now not based from the 8 Tathagatas, however from the 4 clairvoyant devas and probably these devas permit you to diagnose and understand the right method to heal.